Yes, students. Now I am going to start your first chapter, that is computer system overview. According to the name, in this chapter we learn about the overview of computer. So now let's start with the definition of computer. First of all the students, you keep notebook and pen to note down the definition of the computer. So keep the notebook, and with this tutorial you also note down the definition of computer. So now let's start. This is the definition of computer. What is the computer? A computer is an electronic device that process input data and produce result as output according to the set of instruction called program. Means which program you have made, according to that program it plays the output. So that is the main function of computer. So first of all you have to input the data. What? You have to input the data. After input the data you get the result. The result is called output. So this is the definition of computer. Now our computer is basically perform 5 major functions. That functions are input, stores data, process data, control operation of a computer, and it gives result in the form of output. So basically our computer perform these 5 major functions. So first you note down what it accept data or instructions by way of input. So we have a different type of input device which help us to input data in computer. After inputting any data into computer, that stores all the data in computer memory. After it process on data as required by the user, and next it control operations of computer. Means what should be comes out and what should be into the computer memory. And after finalizations of your data, it's give the result in the form of output. So these are the 5 major functions. Now students, we come into the block diagram of computer. In this screen you are watching the functional unit of computer. and this is also called the block diagram. We can say that block diagram of functional unit of computer. So first block for input device, this is your first block. ये आपका पहला and first block है, and after receiving input it comes into CPU. This is the part of CPU. There are two units. First is CU and second is ALU, and third is called the memory unit. Means CPU built with these units. CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What? Central Processing Unit. Next, CU. This is Control Unit. What? This is Control Unit. And next, ALU. The full form of ALU is Arithmetic Logical Unit. What? Arithmetic Logical Unit. And last is a memory unit. This is the part of CPU. Okay. Next, the next unit is output device. What? Output device. That gives you the output. Okay. So look at the flow. Means an input device, by the input device CPU get the data, and that is controlled by the CU and perform some logical operation by the ALU, and it is stored into the memory unit and then gives output. So this is the block diagram of functional unit of computer. So also draw this figure. After this block diagram, we know about the input device. What is the input devices?